Good day, team. I smash. Common problem with hardcore. Floor drop. And the show up top right through the house. When you guys don't decide if you come back in a layers, this happened. Section number 2 for the day. Yes, sir. Stone. Nice. Yes, sir. It's nice. T-Moon, I think. Spooky but sick, and then I want to get cool. Yes, sir. Oh. This
Like come back tomorrow and look straight on, right?
yeah, when it feels brighter.
Yeah, but you don't see it. You see it.
Good morning, team. I Smash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the vlog. So yeah, team I Smash, this is somewhat the end of the reinforcement for the slab, and as you can see, it includes the pool reinforcement to support the parapet wall and the decking. The pool deck is up. Most man choose a tiling work over a mason work, because mason work take a whole heap of time and patience.
No money on the family, sir.
Chacha.
Highly. I'll get some money for him. For a square foot, then they get give out. They get give out.
Square yard.
Yeah. When you do one piece of wall, you know, no money in the price, you know, the big piece of wall. That's why you get the good money off of the running foot. If you don't do running foot, you know. Like Harrison and something. You make money half a head because I'm running food.
So don't you know why he goes for the edges? He does it first before he do any flat wall.
The Aris.
No,
It was them when they before they
Listen.
go for the big flat wall.
stupid and stupid. You see, when you do this first, and when you do this, you have to come back.
Condu.
So in float, come rub off round and so.
Kaitafe.
When we do yes already, when we done, everything done. And stupid and stupid when they do the flat wall first. No job me do the flat wall first. Why have you not come back?
Conturn the Aris.
You see what I do when I work now? We just turn it so it don't. You understand? I hear that and listen. If you have one sink in the wall, if one sink in the wall, you see if you put on the rod pan, it's straight in it.
I go for my square now.
You see when you the dress wall, you say you have no patience, just make it down biff baff and it done. I don't patient you do the wall properly. You only have to make money.
Man.
Money now if you make so you want to know and see something good, you want something very good, you know.
Not because we go fast, mean we don't do it good. Not because we go fast, mean we don't do it good. We just fast.
Mr. Morris, I want nephew right now. If you see the amount of wall him do in a quick second, and your uncle have to think if he go back and rub the wall and the whole light crack up. Why crack up?
A haven.
Eh?
A haven in a wall and good, so it a crack
No
up.
hole in a wall and good. As in put on the matter before he said you come off, it's done already and spongy. But by the time the dry up here,
Yep.
because you don't get to do it before you done it. After you done it fast enough, and then you have to go up now and boil up it.
I wanna think. If you do one jam and if matter where you put on crack up, you have to take it off back.
And you have to take off your back.
What you do?
Fix it.
How you fix it? You have to take it off back. That's not good again.
You put out food me.
How you fix it?
Teach yourself what you want to learn.
How you fix it?
They said teach yourself what you want to learn.
I'm to teach myself I'm gonna know how to fix it. So you say?
You know, if you have to teach yourself to be skilled, the man will come up with Facebook, you know. When the man will come up with WhatsApp, you know, go, carrying all in resume, go, you know, to get a job at Facebook, you know what I'm telling you, say? You know, qualified, you know, and see it? You come up with WhatsApp, and make one money, you want me to type, and on Facebook, see you want to run by your own family.
Oh boy.
See you man when you say not qualified. Because what?
I know you not tell me how to fix it, you know.
Me not have to tell you. You teach yourself what you want to learn, nobody not teach you.
Oh boy.
You must teach yourself what things. You teach yourself what things, you know.
And you feel like, so you feel like when you teach yourself a correct way?
Then if you fix why you not correct.
Yes, yeah, she practice on.
You sure you fix? It just look like you fix. Yeah, so all the people hide the problem, you know.
Then if the problem hide,
You know
what
fix.
more we want?
You know fix.
So where you going to find the problem again?
It hide, it still exists, it still
So what you
feel.
going to do? What you going to do?
If you feel and
what?
feel like you can kill people, suppose that wall a crack. All I do is put some mortar over here and hide the big old crack in it. You just can jack down on a man later on in your life, you know.
You can't fool me. You can't fool me. And then the same thing then teach you art.
Cheese and peel.
And then the same thing then teach you art. You can't grow on the whole of them and they look good.
Jeez, man like when I'm afraid of, you know.
Afraid of
Afraid of one, man.
Listen, me work
Them man they will love grown.
Me work on a fantasy.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Jerry.
So we're back on the upstairs, guys. Okay, so we come up with a design for this pool. Since you can see, we have our 5-year rebars for top and bottom, both main and distribution. These now, you can see we use the double vertical rods, and we're gonna have the 8-inch block on the outside, and we're gonna do shotcreting on the inside. So as of right now, I can't tell you how high the outer walls are gonna come up if they not go all the way to support the pool on the inside. And as you can see, we have a base on top of this slab. Yeah guys, I think I see something by standard for say millimeter bars used to make cheer bars, but I say everybody use 3/8 to make them because everybody complains say the 12 millimeter hard for bend. However, we just maintain the 1 meter apart roll, keep it 1 meter apart. And when you know if the bar is a little bit weaker, you probably can make them a little bit closer, but the chair bars are to just separate the top bar from the bottom bars. So this is our access onto the pool from this portion of the building. Meet me in the middle. Observe. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. 1, 2, 3 bars. Why? Why is that so? I'm gonna 4 seconds to come in before my talk. So based on the spacing and the design of the footing reinforcement, you can notice that one is bigger than the other, meaning the block that is going on top of it, one has a bigger core than the other. The footing should be up to 3 times the size of the wall itself. So if I use 8-inch block, you know we need to have at least a 24-inch footing down here. If I use 6-inch block, 18 inches. Good day again, team Ismash. Sorry for the abrupt transition from the last scene to today's scene, but now guys, I'm currently in Senton. I'm going to a quick synopsis what took place from the last time on site to today's date. Now, sometimes with these inspections, some persons under a sense of urgency where in which them prefer to get the inspection done now. I'm gonna try my best run out, made it have a run go sent catching a while ago, like yesterday, and then Kingston today, and now me I go back. And as I say, I do these inspection for you guys. Sometimes when I want it urgent, me not always can do it urgently or as urgent as you guys wanted to do it, but me not no problem. As long as me have like a float, we get it done. So now on my way back, me remember this inspection that I did in Senton, where in which a few things was going on site. I'm just to drive up here just to have a quick look back at it. I think I want to show you it. It seems as if the project has come to an halt. There was a lot of problems over there. Respectfully, me just not gonna show it because me try my best not really show these inspections like that. But if you guys don't have a problem with it, me can talk to you first and think. But me I look at it right now and it seems as if it have come to an halt. Me I go just call back the guy and kind of get like an update what's going on and things like that. Cause I like to see work are going, things are going progress, and people happy. It don't look like not even a bag of cement drop since the last time I've been here, which is about 3 months now or 4 months, some long time like that. So guys, up here nice, beautiful on the hilltop. I don't remember up here name, but up here nice. Somewhere in the center. Up here nice. If you're watching this vlog, the owner for this property, you might can see the background and realize that I'm on your side. I hope all is going well in regards to your project, and we wish you the best of luck. We'll talk soon, by the way. One more thing. The inspections that I did earlier that I was telling you guys about, and I wanted to speak with you guys on it. It's just one main thing I wanted to speak to you guys about in regards to the house that I went to. I did the viewing for a subscriber. They're all the way overseas. If you're watching this again, big up yourself. Thanks for the support. It has been concluded that the building have a lot of work to be done on the building itself. However, the hardcore compaction underneath the floor slab was not done correctly or not done whatsoever. Therefore, after a period of time when everything settled, the floor dropped because it now no base, no subgrade, no nothing like that. So it dropped because you know, compact, and if you do compact, you can't use any type of material or fill that will be, you know, them when they expand like clear. You normally use selected marl fill or selected fill but marl, and you do it in layers. So instead of it naturally taking its course to be compacted, you compact it, and you have to do it in layers because the compactor only vibrates to a certain depth. And also I observe, even though it wasn't, you know, so obvious, there's an easement on the property. I'm not seeing no title or nothing like that. When investigations are done, I realize there's a kind of a easement around the back where in which water flow from off the hill, and I can see it get crazy at time where in which it flood out an apartment which is around the back of the unit. It flood it and destroy it, and they also create a box culvert on the other side, the other property next door, and that shows the water come down. When it come down, and them strongly reinforce them walls around here. So the water come over into that property and it flood it out. I see it is shown on the floor. It show in our property say water when rain fall over there is a stadium, an Olympic swimming pool stadium. Me do my report and send up all of that. Person satisfied with the report, me get as much detail as me can, and me just work it grow. Me like, you know, grown soldier. I'm your guys' grown soldier in Jamaica. As me say, me do provide a service in which me do anything phone up on the ground. So you guys can just inquire, yo, Ismash, much charge, brrr, and me just make you know what I want, cause me do these stuff to the best of my ability. Me use all of my gumption, all of my acumen, me use all of my networking to get the job done and done to the best of my ability. So Team Ismash, we're going to sign out to see if we can start a new vlog. Me did I try to do a hidden community, however I know work out a very nice community as a matter of fact. But the person did I try get me through, them kind of chicken out, then get freed through then not just the YouTube thing, but me understand, they not quite understand how me do this thing as maybe inconspicuous and incognito as possible. So yeah guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys new, just know this is a very lit construction channel. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's to you guys. If me not get for drop no more video from now, you guys can just make me know Merry Christmas and Happy New Year down in the comment section. I'm gonna read it, I'm gonna love it, I'm gonna appreciate it. Team Ismash, like the video, tell a friend, probably there. Big up on yourself. I am out.